Welcome to Pledge a Penny, your gateway to supporting schools with single-click donations and fulfilling their monetary requests. Pledging to campaigns on the platform is super easy. Start by logging into your Let's Localize account. Once on the dashboard, under CSR Management, go to the Pledge a Penny feature. On the left side of the page, you'll find various filters to help you find specific campaigns by status, amount needed, request type, and more. Use the sort filter on the right to organize the campaigns based on your preference. And now, click on the desired campaign you wish to contribute to. Scroll down to see a detailed overview of the campaign, including the total amount needed and its purpose. Click on Pledge now to begin your contribution. Enter your desired pledge amount. The minimum pledge amount is £50. If you want to contribute the remaining amount and fully fund the campaign, tick the Complete the Campaign box. Choosing a contract to tag your pledge to a social value goal is optional. Click on Add Cart to proceed to payment. Choose your preferred payment method and click Pay to complete the payment. Congratulations! Your pledge is successful! You can help raise awareness for the cause by sharing it on social media or with your family and friends. You can download an invoice for your pledge by clicking on Download Invoice. Additionally, you can scroll down to view the details of your pledge at any point. That is all. Start your Pledge a Penny journey today and join us in supporting the efforts of our schools, one pledge at a time.